What's going on, you guys? Today in this episode we'll be opening a bunch of random blister packs. The first pack is Dragon Ball Fusion World's Raging Roar. Well, I guess I do have these things right here now. Still getting used to them, even though I've opened 1,000 of these packs already. Alright, let's get to it. And the first holo of the pack is a rare. And the second, sweet, we got a secret rare Gohan. Heck yeah, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. I'll thumbs up that. Dude, sick, man. The first pack of the day, a secret rare Gohan. I'm going to have to go get a sleeve for this real quick. I can't keep that out. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. And like that, this video is going to be a banger. Boom. We got Pokemon Journey Together. Difficult. Alright, let's see what we have in here. Oops. Excellent grab too. Alright, the first one's a reverse holo. Another reverse. And there we go. Nothing spectacular, but yep. And our next pack will be One Piece Emperors in the New World. Let's see if we get a banger in this one. That's what I'm hoping for. Come on now. Focus this real quick. There we go. Oops. Keep wanting to grab two. Got Usopp. Jinbei. Come on now. See what we get in the back of this. Come on now. And we have a holo Nami. Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. We got a rare. Alright. Sweet, dude. Gotta love this dude. That's what I'm talking about. We didn't get anything spectacular, but they're still cool. Still cool. And our next pack we'll be opening is a pack of Surging Sparks. Let me focus this real quick. There we go. Boom. Shaboom. All right. Come on, just open. Yes. Open easy from this time. All right, let's get into it. Got Togepi chilling. Big chillin' she was. Alrighty. Let's get something cool. Oh, that's a Sig Taurus. That's awesome. First reverse holo. Second reverse holo. Got a Diglett. Nice. Alright. And if you guys want this code, there you go. That's all you. You know what? I'm not mad because we pulled this guy. All right, let's get into our next pack. It's going to be the Broly Dragon Ball Fusion World's Rivals Clash. Let's get into it. See if we can pull another secret rare. I'm so geeked about that. That's such a cool card. All right, let's get into it. Focus this camera. There we are. Rampage Control. Come on now. Android 18. Alright, alright. Good old Deborah. Come on now. What's behind here? Our first holo. We got a Goku. Come on now. And Android 16, a secret rare. There we go. Sweet, dude. Nice. These Dragon Ball cards are definitely being nice today. Come on now. Put that right there. Put Goku over here. And if you guys want this code, there you go with that one. And I'm not sure if I showed you this one. So here goes that. Boom. And here goes the other Pokemon code if you guys want that. All right, let's dive into the next pack. We're going to do Demon Slayer. If you guys are Demon Slayer fans, this one's for you. And let's see what we get in this pack. Come on now, let's get something good. And our first holo. What's gonna be behind this? Come on, let's get something good. No, come on now. Oh well, no luck in the Demon Slayer, but still cool, right?
Still cool.
Still fun. That's how the game goes. It's always a gamble. You never know what you're going to get inside. And let's get into our next pack. Awakened Pulse. I always love this booster pack right here. The artwork, they go hard with Dragon Ball. There we are. Alright. Oops. Alright, that's cool, that's cool. Black Goku. Come on now. Oops. Keep wanting to pull all the cards. Come on now. Gotta loosen up on these cards. And Ginyu. Oh, well, that's an unpleasant sight. Alright, what's behind Ginyu? And we got a secret rare Beerus. Come on, dude. Come on, you guys. Let's get it. We have Beerus, the secret rare. Check him out. That's what I'm talking about. Here is the code if you guys want it. Boom. Shazam. Alright, we're going to do another Rivals Clash. Let's see what this will produce. Come on now, give us something good. Give us something good. These Dragon Ball cards have been doing great. See what it will or won't do. I was starting off with that guy at first. Kind of doubting it now. Come on now, let's get something good. Got some repeats going on. Alright, our first holo is a Son Goku Mini. And behind him, we got another secret. Oh no, we do not. Yes, we do. Dude, we got a Broly secret rare. Oh my gosh. I pulled the right packs at the store. Dude, oh my gosh. Check out the artwork. Oh my gosh, dude. Woo! Sleeve time. Come on, we need some sleeves. Dude, come on now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's put him in here. Nice and safe. All right, we're going to dive into another One Piece pack. Let's get into it. Emperors of the New World. I was wanting to save some of these packs just to keep them unopened, but what's the fun in that, right? Let's open these bad boys. Come on, One Piece, don't disappoint us. Don't disappoint us. We are on a streak. Our first holo. Come on, now we have Mr. 3, and we have a boom, Perona. This is a cool card. Nice, it's a rare. Get the star. Come on now. One Piece, let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, let's go. And we're going to hop into a Stellar Crown Pokemon pack. Let's focus that. Blister pack. Let's get into it. All right, let's do it. Got a reverse holo. Another reverse Ponyta. Boom. Nothing good. Come on, Pokemon. We're going to open One Punch Man. Let's get into it. See if we can get us a comma holo. Let's do it. Focus this camera. Boom, let's get in it. The card always zones me out. It always zones me out. And a first holo. Sweet. There we go. And what's behind him? All right. Nothing spectacular, but still cool. You know, gotta love the holos. Raging Roar. Dragon Ball Super. I have a good feeling something good's going to happen. Let's do it. There we go. All right, come on, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's get another secret rare, or even a god rare, even better. Last pack of the day. See what it will or won't to you guys. And we're getting close. All right, first holo. Come on now. All right, what's behind him? And we have a super rare. Majin Buu, super rare. Come on now. Yeah. Let's get it. There we go. Dragon Ball thumbs up. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had a blast opening these packs. Oh my gosh, we got some good ones, and we're about to go over them. Let's do it.